This video is inspired by Austin McConnell's useless information videos. Hello everyone, today I'll give you exactly 3 times 3 useful and useless Rubik's Cube facts. Fact number 1. Did you know that the Rubik's Cube was actually invented not as a toy but actually as an architecture problem by Erna Rubik to teach his students about 3-dimensional objects? Fact number 2. The Rubik's Cube is one of the only cubes to have 6 faces. Fact number 3. The stickers of the Rubik's Cube do not move independently but in little chunks called pieces. Also, I have a video about how the Rubik's Cube works which you can check out in the top right. The organization that holds official Rubik's Cube competitions is called the World Cube Association, or WCA for short. The third word on the third regulation of the third article of the WCA regulations or rules is enhance. Fact number 6. The very first official Rubik's Cube competition took place on Earth in 1982. Fact number 7. The colors on the Rubik's Cube are white, yellow, green, blue, red, and orange. Fact number 8. If you took apart every piece, screw, cap, etc. of a Rubik's Cube, it would be impossible to solve. For our final and 9th fact, I would like to tell you that some Rubik's Cubes have stickers and others have colors printed onto the pieces. Hope you enjoyed those 9 very useless facts. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch some of my other videos that are up on the screen right now.